So we're on the blog page, and it looks like our home item still has the class of current, and I believe that's because we need to make sure that our blog menu item has the class of current. So we can do that by applying a filter to our nav menu classes, and we'll go ahead and get started with that right now. Over on our functions.php file, just beneath this, I'll type in add current class to current page in the about current page menu item in the header. I want to give ourselves some room to work with here. We need to create a function, and we'll call it about custom current menu item class, like that. And we're doing this because we need to add a filter. So I'll just start typing add filter, and the tag that we're going to be adding a filter to is nav underscore menu underscore CSS underscore class, and the function to add will be the one we create up here. Like that. And then for the priority and the accepted arguments, we'll leave priority at 10. We'll need to set the accepted arguments to 2 for our function, and I'll show you why in a minute. The nav menu CSS class is going to require 2 arguments: classes, an item, which is the current item being looked up, and within our function we need an if statement. Now the condition we're looking for is going to be the name of the current menu item. So what we need to do is check in our array of classes, like that. And if you're wondering, how do we know that classes is an array? Well, that's because classes is a part of the nav menu CSS class item that or tag that we're filtering into. The name that we're looking for, and I'll put this in single quotes, is current menu item, and I'll just add a comma after that. And when this condition is true, I want to add the current class to the item. Actually, I don't think I need this. So just a quick review, what we're doing is we're adding a filter to the nav menu CSS class with our own function here, and this function checks if the class current menu item is being used in our navigation. So if we were to look in our browser and inspect this item, you could see that the wrapping li tag has the class current menu item, and we'd like to include current if this class is being used, and that's what our function is doing. So why don't I give that a save, come back and refresh, and it looks like I have a slight error. Oh, forgot one last line. Our function needs to return the classes, like that. So let's give that another save. When I refresh, you'll see that the current class has been added to the li tag, a rounded background color. So now when we click throughout each pages, we'll still have our design in place.